Hey, and welcome to 50/50 Fitness and Nutrition. My name is Brittany, and I'm one of the instructors/trainers here at 50/50. I'd like to personally welcome you to the studio and give you a brief tour. So let's get started. We currently have two locations right on Route 9 in Hadley. Our spin studio is located at 231 Russell Street and is home to our signature Spin Plus program. We also offer combination spin and strength classes, lights out spin, and seasonal outdoor fit camp classes at this location. Our training facility, located at 251 Russell Street, is home to the rest of our group exercise classes, including TRX, cardio kickboxing, Tabata boot camp, Pilates, yoga, bar, and various pop-up classes offered weekly. Keep in mind that all classes are offered to all levels, so don't be intimidated to jump right in. We have many instructors with different styles, music, and personalities, so make sure you try them all. Finally, take advantage of our new client special and sign up for 1 month of unlimited classes for just $59. Looking for a more structured strength program in a small group or one-on-one setting? Maybe a little more support on the nutritional side of things? We encourage you to sign up for a complimentary health and wellness consultation. As a new client, you'll find all the support you need in one place. Simply click the link below and let's get started on this journey together today. Have a great first class, and we'll see you soon.